I think it's an amazing thing because you're getting so many different companies like Bayside Sports in the sports space and other companies in other spaces as well, other industries together. So first of all, I think it's a brilliant networking move. And I know Mansi for a couple of years now, and she and her team are doing a fabulous job. Every time that I meet the Kidstop Press team, I go back a little inspired, and I want to do the same with my team.
There was a community, okay, where you allowed active and healthy exchange, and then through that exchange you brought things back onto a forum. That's what Kidstop Press is. So it's holistic, it's got everything for kids, it's got everything for parents, young as well as older, and I think it's got recommendations and support for every aspect of parenthood and bringing up children the right way. So
I think a lot of the way KSP simplifies parenting is because you guys go very deep into the psyche of the mother. I'm not a parent myself yet, but when I watch some of those videos, and I particularly watched that swimming one and the badminton one, and it was really interesting to get inside the minds of the mothers who, almost create the next generation. They're creating the next generation of our country, and they put a lot of passion and effort and work into that. And I think really that's the core of being a mother. The core of being a mother is giving everything you can to your child to make sure that your child is able to achieve everything that you've ever dreamed of and that they've ever dreamed of. So I think really the fact that you guys go into the mind of the mother so much is, I think, what really ironically simplifies parenting.
So I think it's an Indian based website, which I think is really important because that again the level of relatability kind of comes in. I think there are a lot of mommy blogs internationally, but I think this just kind of hits the nail on the head because it's just it's so personal. So, and I like Mansi's personal touch again. It helps with the relatability.
In so many ways. I mean, from simple things like top 10 tiffin tips and weekly planners, and that's very on the go stuff that every mum needs, right? To the weekend guides, everything is so useful. In fact, I've been in Goa for the last year, and I'm waiting for KSP to kind of spread out even more so it comes to the smaller cities and to so much of the deeper stuff, so much of the deeper stuff that kind of cuts through all the noise and helps you figure out exactly the right way to parent in so many ways.
I'm very happy and excited to be a part of the Kidstop Presses because the market that you guys open out to the label life, but more importantly they're all moms, and I'm so glad that we can be accessible to women like us who are possibly the exact target that we're talking to.
Most important is building the right content, speaking to the right people, building the right relationships, right? And making the right connections. And you all facilitate all of that. Kidstop facilitates all of that. And that's what gets me back to Kidstop again and again.
One thing I really love is usually, either you get a lot of content or you get a lot of personal life content from, mommy bloggers or portals. Kidstop Press has a good mix. So you're also seeing, the workforce behind, and you're seeing the content, but you're also getting a sneak peek into Mansi's life, which is very candid. It's not really layered with what to put out there or not. It's not very filtered. It's very much like the time she puts out her morning runs or, really things that she's doing with her kids also. And I like that real connect.
So Kidstop Press, obviously is run by a really close friend, so I love what she does. It's a fabulous team. The portal is amazing because, it's just so consolidated. It's like my one-stop shop for everything that I want to go to for my child.
You have a very loved community and a very engaged community, and that's really fun to be part of. It's not just it's not a movie review. It's a review by somebody who's feeding it to their child. It's really, really personal, and that's what I think sets you apart.
I think, since we started tracking Kidstop Press a while ago, I think what I really love about it is that there's always something going on. There's always something new. Every time I read a newsletter, there's something on the radio, there's something on the code, there's something about events. I think it's so dynamic. I feel that it's one of the only parenting platforms where every few months there's some buzz, some activity, and I think that is what I am very impressed by. You know.
Kidstop Press is a very informative portal, a blog, and it is, I think the post as well as the videos are very informative, very learning and very colorful. See, honestly, as a parent, being a parent too, I look for a lot of information for my child in various categories which it serves, and I think that's what I really keep on coming back to.
You are very alive. Like there's always something happening, something new, something every day. Unlike other platforms who are not so proactive, maybe there's something new every day at KSP, and I really think, I don't know how you guys pull it off, because it's a lot of coordination, and to be able to pull up so many things in such a tight timeline and to do it well, I think it's a great job you guys are doing.
So I think one of the things that I find it most useful for, and I'm sure most others do, is it takes the hassle of ideation and discovery away from you, and you can just focus on spending great quality time with your children in a variety of different ways without having to figure out each week what you need to do and where you need to take them. So I really like it for that.
I think it's a very good platform for all us young people to showcase our stuff and to get awarded for what we put our heart and soul into. So thank you.
I love the portal. I love how the audiences, the moms, the dads and parents are engaged on it. For us, Kidstop Press is very special because it was the first portal that reviewed one of our products and helped us reach out to the parent community. And I love the way Kidstop Press puts out different articles about parenting, about engaging with kids, and all in a line which is also ties in with our philosophy of being a simplified parenting for the child.
Honestly, you guys are the only ones in this segment, and it's a great segment to be in. It's a great encouragement for brands like us to be noticed, to be encouraged, to get all the support that somebody like a Kidstop Press is giving to us. And it's great how fast the company is growing and how it's encouraging younger brands.
Definitely, Kidstop Press has been one of the early, early big platforms that has come in, and they're doing a super job.
I think KSP is it's very young, it's very vibrant, it's very peppy, and it's not preachy. I don't think parents need preaching. Everyone knows how to do their job. You just need a fun, friendly place, a platform where you get a lot of information, because often we are grappling to know something, and this place just provides it seamlessly.
I think the website is really interactive. It's very easy to navigate through, and a lot of people are on it, and we get a lot of exposure through it. So.
Now that you've asked me this question, I have to mention Mansi. I think it's fabulous what she's done with Kidstop Press. I mean, starting from home to where she's reached today with Kidstop Press. And I need to thank her because it's really helping all of us mamas.
I think it's all very organized, and the kind of venues that you got, the different things that you have for interaction, like you have the radio thing, you have where Mansi talks, she has these video blogs. So I think all of that really sets you apart from the other websites.
Mansi in this space was like the trendsetter. There was nothing like this available in India at that time, and for all the mums, this was one place to turn to, and that's got a lot of credibility with her over the years. And
I have seen Kidstop Press growing over the years, and I really admire the quality that she has maintained over the years. So for me, the association of with Kidstop Press is mainly based on the level of quality that is maintained consistently.
You know, I've been following Kidstop Press since day one. I mean, you guys started around the same time that we were also growing, and it's really wonderful to see how Kidstop Press is addressing so many needs of the parent, and coming up with engaging properties that really help parents in their journey. And it's a great sort of one-stop shop for the kinds of information that anyone who's associated with the children's space.
I think it's a one-stop shop for everything. I think that just is lovely, right? We love malls because we enter and we get everything there that caters to our need. So I think this is a great platform for parents and children to interact and find everything that they want, and I think it's been fantastic.
Kidstop Press, the best part is that they give us articles about how to what is right for your child. It's a know-how for parenting, what is right about your child, what behavior you should, basically a parent should, the way they should connect to the kids, then the things that are new in town for kids. That's what the information is given by Kids Stop Press is really amazing. That's a very good platform.
I like you guys are very open, you're very nice, you take our feedbacks, you work for us, that's fantastic.